Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today is Curiosity Day, and the topic which I have brought for you is what if the earth stopped spinning? Have you ever wondered what would happen if the earth suddenly stopped spinning? We live our lives every day without thinking about how the earth is constantly rotating at a speed of about 1670 kilometers per hour at the equator. But what if one day it just stopped? Would everything collapse? Would we survive? In this episode of Curiosity Day, we explore this terrifying yet fascinating question. Why does the earth spin? Let's start with a basic but important question. Why does the earth spin in the first place? When our solar system was forming about 4.6 billion years ago, it was just a massive cloud of gas and dust. That cloud began to collapse under gravity, and as it did, it started to spin. That spinning motion was passed on to the planets, including Earth. Because there is no friction in space, the Earth has kept spinning all these years, just like a spinning top that never slows down. This spin is what gives us day and night, wind patterns, time zones, and much more. Instant catastrophe. If the earth stopped suddenly, even for 1 second, the result would be catastrophic. Everything that isn't anchored, buildings, oceans, people, would keep flying eastward at over 1000 miles per hour. It would be like the brakes suddenly slamming on a giant machine. The damage would be global. Tsunamis and mega winds. The oceans would go wild. Huge tsunami would flood entire regions. The atmosphere would still be moving, causing massive storms and deadly winds everywhere. Entire cities could be destroyed in minutes. Magnetic field collapse. The Earth's spin helps generate its magnetic field, which protects us from space radiation. Without it, that shield could collapse. We would be exposed to dangerous cosmic rays. Our technology, satellites, internet, power could stop working, and over time, the solar wind could even begin to strip away our atmosphere. One side day, one side night. If the earth stopped rotating, one side of the world would always face the sun, while the other side would be in constant darkness. One half of the earth would burn under the sun's heat, the other half would freeze in darkness. No plant life could survive this for long. No normal weather patterns could continue. Our world would become like a dead planet. Earth's shape would change. Right now, Earth bulges slightly at the equator because of its spin. If that stopped, the planet would become more perfectly round. Ocean water would move toward the poles. Some countries might disappear underwater while others lose all their seas and rivers. Could we survive? In short, not really. If it happened suddenly, humanity wouldn't survive. If it happened slowly over millions of years, maybe. We might build underground cities, artificial light systems, and controlled farms, but life would never be the same. Can this really happen? Now, here is the good news. This is nearly impossible. There is no known force that could stop the earth from spinning instantly. In fact, It's slowing down very slowly, just 2 milliseconds per century. So don't worry, the earth won't stop anytime soon. Final reflection. But isn't it amazing to think how perfectly balanced everything is? The earth spins, gives us night and day, seasons, and stability, all without us noticing. This is not by accident, it is only by the mercy of Allah that the earth continues to spin in perfect harmony. He created it with wisdom and control, and we are living under His protection every moment. So, next time you feel the cool wind or watch the sunrise, remember that's the spinning of the earth, a gift we never ask for but always receive. Be thankful, be curious, and never forget the blessings around you. Thank you for watching Curiosity Day. If you love science, mystery, and imagination, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what would you do if you had only 1 hour before Earth stopped spinning. Would you run? Would you pray? Or just look up at the sky? Stay curious, stay safe, and keep learning. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.